In negligence cases, plaintiffs have the burden of proving that the defendant was negligent. Consequently, a plaintiff who can't prove that the defendant was negligent can't recover damages for his or her injuries. In the 2004 case, Santiago v. First Student Incorporated, the Rhode Island Supreme Court considered whether a plaintiff presented sufficient evidence of the defendant's negligence to satisfy her burden of proof. Alma Santiago was an 8th grade student in Providence, Rhode Island, who rode a school bus to and from school every day. The bus was owned by the company First Student Incorporated, doing business as Ryder Student Transportation Services. Sometime between November 17th and November 21st, 1997, and between the hours of 3:30 and 4:30 p.m., Santiago was riding home from school in the bus when it allegedly collided with a car at an intersection. As a result of the alleged collision, Santiago's face hit the seat in front of her, causing her to suffer injuries. However, police didn't respond to the alleged accident, and no police report was created. Subsequently, Santiago sued First Student in state superior court based on negligence. In her complaint, Santiago alleged the accident occurred at or about Charles Street and/or a street along her bus route in Providence. But during a deposition conducted in pretrial discovery, Santiago testified that she couldn't remember the street or neighborhood where the accident occurred. Additionally, during her deposition, Santiago couldn't give details about how the accident occurred other than that the bus driver was driving on a one-way street approaching a stop sign. In fact, she couldn't remember the names of the other students on the bus that day except for one girl by the name of Daiquiri who had moved away. Further, Santiago could only identify the bus driver by his physical description and the fact that he was from the Dominican Republic and didn't speak English. Santiago also didn't provide any witnesses to the accident. Following pretrial discovery, First Student moved for summary judgment, arguing that Santiago failed to prove that it was negligent in causing her injuries. The court granted the motion, and Santiago appealed to the Rhode Island Supreme Court.